I was in a conversation recently as well with a fella that was talking about his retirement accounts and whether or not he should surrender them. And it's just like you can't, on one hand, complain about being stuck at a job and then on the other hand, cling to your 401k. In fact, I would make a very strong argument that your 401k is one of the main reasons that you are stuck at and hate your job. Locking away your funds that you have available to you now for a hopeful payoff in 30 years is not a good solution if you are miserable at your current job. If you are having the absolute time of your life working a W 2 position, if you do not want to do anything else when you wake up other than work your job that you are afforded via your W 2 position, then yes, a 401k is fantastic for you. You should check out a fellow called Dave Ramsey, and you should do everything that man says and just autopilot your way. Focus on your passion that is involved in your W 2 job and barely pay attention to your finances and do exactly what Papa Dave says. However, if you have any aspirations of being your own boss, of having this legacy that you can leave, a big old pile of assets that are going to cash flow long after you're dead, that you have the ability to leave to your family. If you want to wake up every day and do whatever it is that you want to from a 9 to 5 perspective, you should not have a 401k. You should use every single resource available to you now to fundamentally change the way that you live now. Now, it is extraordinarily easy to do this while also having a very long-term perspective about you. I'm not saying take all the funds available to you now and go on a vacation every chance you get. Not what I'm saying. But taking every resource available to you now and buying assets that have equity so that the moment you buy them, you add to your net worth. Assets that each month you own them, they appreciate, they make you money on a monthly basis via the cash flow. They lower your tax burden at the end of the year, so you're able to save more money to the tax man. That is a smart decision. That is something that could get you to leave your job inside of a couple years' time.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.